Welcome everyone! If you are new to the channel and want to learn more about sewing, please consider to subscribe today. Let me help you to learn the basics and master the fundamentals. In this course, I will teach you how to sew in your own home or a studio. Sewing is a great skill to obtain, whether it is a hobby or a career in fashion design. You could even start your own small business creating items just like me. With this course, I will help you to get creative, start your own business or make clothes for you and your family.